Hello students, welcome back to this channel. In this video, we will learn to print all twin primes between 10 to 500. For this, I will copy the program to check twin primes number. Okay, then I will change the program. So this is the program for twin prime. I will copy this one and paste here. This is twin prime range. Now this is same. This prime function is to check a number prime or not. It will return 1 if it is prime, else it will return 0. This, this is the same. Now in this part, what we have to do? We have to remove scanner class, enter two number because we have to give range. This is also okay. This is import function. Remove this one also. Now range is remove this one also. Range is 10 to 500. So in main method, write for loop for int I equal to 10, I less than equal to 500, I plus plus. And take a equal to I. A equal to I. This is int a equal to I. Int a equal to I. B equal to I plus 2. B equal to I plus 2. Okay. For difference, we have taken a equal to I and b equal to I plus 2. That means if value of I is 10, then a is your I means value of a is 10, value of b is 12. Okay. Similarly, then value of a is 11, value of b will be 13, value of a will be 12, then b 14. So there is two difference always. A equal to I, B equal to I plus 2. And we have to check A and B both are prime or not. For this one, variable x equal to this much. Now, this is declaration part here. This is int A, comma B. Okay. Because if we declare here, it will be in this loop only. We cannot take it outside the loop. So declare here. Now A equal to I, B equal to I plus 2. This is if x equal to 1 and y equal to 1, remove this one. If x equal to 1 and y equal to 1 means it will if both are prime. That means both are prime. Then you have to print the numbers, not twin primes. We have to print the numbers. Okay. Twin primes you can write here like this one plus you have to write the twin primes, that is your how much I and I plus 2, that is A and B. A space B. Okay, twin primes means it will print like one twin primes 11, 13. Then again twin primes 13, 17, 19, like this. Else part, there is no else part. Okay, here semicolon. If x equal to 1 and y equal to 1, this is remove this bracket. Again error, a equal to I, b equal to I plus 2. Here this is for loop is here, close is here. In the for loop you have to check these are prime or not. So within the for loop you have to write. No syntax error. Now output. So this is the output. Twin primes 11, 13, twin primes 17, 19, up to twin primes 461, 463. I removed this line to print XY because it is not necessary. It will print only twin primes. Okay? First twin primes after 10, prime twin primes are 11, 13, then 17, 19. This is 461, 463. Okay? Clear? There is no error and output is also correct. But still there is an error. Can you find this one? This line. This line is the object creation, but here class name is twin primes. But our class name is twin prime range. Still there is no error and output is correct one. Why? Because there is a class twin primes already exist and it is object OB is created in twin prime class and there is a function prime which is same as this prime function that also written 1 or 0. So all things are same. Twin prime, there is a class twin prime, so object is created in twin prime and this object call prime function and take the value a and b. So there is no error, but you have to write the class name same class name. So write here twin prime range. Here is twin primes, write the class name twin prime range. Here also twin prime range. So always class name this and here class name always be same. Now compile, no syntax error. So what is the program? Program is this one is program to print all twin primes between 10 to 500. This is the twin prime. This is the prime function to check the number prime or not. It will return 1 or 0. Then this is the main function. In main function there is range 10 to 500 and the value of I and I plus 2 will pass to the function prime. Here it will check prime or not. It return 1 or 0. It will return this is 2 statement for function call. This is for A and this is for B. A is I and B is I plus 2. So value of I and value of I plus 2 will check as prime or not and it will return 1 or 0. If both are 1 means both the numbers are prime, then print this one. I and I plus 2 will be printed here. So this is the program. If you